A heated story is coming up. Listen carefully with dictation made on 900 TOEIC Fixoken. Too much noise.
Hey Lisa. Please stop that noise.
Why? I am very happy, Robert.
Well, I am tired. Honestly, stop.
No joke? The music is great.
No way. It is very loud.
Really? You are very boring today.
I am not boring. I'm sleepy.
Wow. It is only 8 o'clock.
Poor me. My head hurts now.
Okay. I turn it down.
Thank you. You are very kind.
Honestly, you are an old man.
Stop. I am only 30, Lisa.
Well, 30 is very old, Robert.
No. You are just very young.
What a story. Did you catch every word? Verify it on dictation, mate. See you next time.